Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jaydeep. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an account in BitOasis for buying, selling and trading in cryptocurrency. This BitOasis is only applicable in Middle East. So if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my all upcoming videos. So let's start the video.
The link is given in the description box in this video. Just copy that link and paste it. So it will open a website, a BitOasis website. Here you need to type your name, and once you fill up this details, click on sign up. Okay. So now you need to do email verification. You have received a verification code. So just log into your email address and here the confirmation code. Just copy this confirmation code and paste it and confirm email address. Here you have to add your phone number. Okay, and number. Now click on add phone number. Okay, you will receive an OTP on your phone. Enter that OTP number and verify phone number. Click on verify phone number. Perfect. Now it's done. Your account is open in BitOasis. Here to verify your account, you need to go to here and then upload some documents. Okay, I'll show you in 3 minutes. Okay, this is the dashboard where you can see your portfolios. Here you can check your balance. Here you can add your account. Here you can see your activity of accounts. You can also set the SMS or email for the price alert. Here you can monitor the price movement of digital currency. Here you can deposit and withdrawal, you can do buying and selling, and for trading you always use this BitOasis Pro exchange. And here the 3 level of verification required. So I'll show you what are the options available. Here you can find your details. So let's go step by step. Once your account is open, first of all you do this verification. You complete the verification process first. So tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. So level 1, level 2 and level 3 verification is required. Okay. So here in level 1, you can deposit 15,000 dirham per week. You can withdraw 5,000 dirham per week. So level 1 verification required. Here nationality details, government issued ID like Emirates ID, selfie and your source of fund and residence address. These 4 things once you provide, the tier 1 verification will be completed. It takes 2 to 3 days. Once you click on account, you can deposit your fund. Before depositing, you need to verify your account. So click on verify. Here these are the documents required. Get verified. Select the passport. Residential details, you can put your residence address, then area. So I filled up all the details. I'll click on next. Here you need to upload your document like Emirates ID, front page and backside page. Here you need to enter your Emirates ID, expiry date of Emirates ID, passport and selfie. So selfie, it should be, take a plain paper, write the BitOasis and the date and your signature, hold it and take a selfie. It should be clear and it should not exceed more than 5 MB. Once it is done, just upload it. Okay, so let me fill the details. Now I just filled it all the details. I'll click on next step. Here you need to provide your fund details like source of fund. So is it the money which you are getting from salary or saving or from the investment or loan or from others. So you need to provide these things. File provides salary. I declared and then complete verification. This verification process will take 3 to 4 days. Once the verification process is completed, you can open a BitOasis, you can enter your email address and the password and then click on login. Then it will ask you to enter the OTP which is sent your mobile number. Get the OTP, enter it and then click on confirm code. Once you click on confirm code, you will be able to log into BitOasis. Once you log into BitOasis, you can go and check the verification. Now I'll check for the verification. So just click on verification. You can see here my account is verified. Now in this account there is a limitation, okay, in tier 1. So if you want to increase your limitation, then you can go with tier 2 verification where you have to submit more documents, okay. Same applicable for tier 3 also, okay. Now once it is verified, you need to go to the general setting and you need to add your bank details. So go to bank details, click your bank detail like bank name, IBAN number, account number, branch name, branch address and full legal name, okay. Let me tell you one thing, that BitOasis does not support Mushrek Bank. If you have an account in Mushrek Bank, that cannot be added to BitOasis, okay. So I'm not sure when it will be solved, but at the moment you cannot add this Mushrek Bank account into BitOasis. Now second, your card, you can add your debit card or a credit card if you want to configure it for depositing the money, okay. Limitation, as I already told you, withdrawal limit and deposit limit, this is what you have. So here, that's it. So now you can go back to your dashboard. Once you add the money, it will show you here your account balance. To deposit the money, you can just click on deposit and then payment system you need to select. It's an online money transfer or you are depositing with a credit card or a debit card, okay. Enter the amount here, how much amount you want to deposit, okay. So it will be deposited to your BitOasis account. Once it is deposited the amount, then you can go for buying the cryptocurrency. So there is a two way to buy the cryptocurrency, one core buy and sell. Here you can select what you want to buy, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, okay. And then here you have to enter the amount, like if you want 1 Ethereum, then it will cost you 7,345 AED 1 Ethereum and then click on buy. Same thing in a selling, if you want to sell Ethereum, you can click Ethereum AED. If you want to sell 1 Ethereum, click 1 and then this will show you like 7,057 dirham, you can sell it. Now let's go to the Pro Exchange. This is, you can use it for trading purpose and suppose you want to buy Ethereum. So here you can go up, you can select Ethereum AED, okay, and you want to, if you want to buy on a market order, you can directly buy it now, okay. But suppose in case you want to buy on a Now the price is 7,197. Okay, but you want to buy on 7,000. So what you will do? You will select here. You will select here limit order, and here you will click 7,000 dirham and one Ethereum you want to buy. So the moment this Ethereum price will come to 7,000, this buying will be triggered. This is how it works. Same thing applicable for a sell. Okay. So once you click on place limit order buy, or you want to buy right now, then you can click on market order and buy it. And this is the deposit and withdrawal. So once you click, you can deposit. This I already told you. You can directly take a withdrawal into your bank account. Okay, so this is how it works. If you have any questions or any query, feel free to comment in the comment box. I'll try to help you out with that. If you still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification of my all upcoming videos. If this video is useful, do like, comment and share with your friends and family. If you have any question, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, or else you can join my Telegram channel. The link is in below description. Thank you. Have a nice day.